What's up, YouTube? It's the Sage Albino Christ, and today I want to talk to you about my upcoming event, the Black Sun Project. If you see in the beginning of the video, I kind of gave you a layout of the field and what was going on, where we're at. But I'm making this video to really explain why I'm doing this event and what I'm doing it for. Where did this come from? So the Black Sun Project, the idea is to get as many black people in the projects out into the sun to meditate for at least 5 minutes. That's it. Why? Why black people? The way I see it, black people need to get back to self. We are a special type of people, and our type of people have been disrespected, killed, mutilated, manipulated, all types of destructive things, mind control, self-hate. We've been inflicted with all these illusion. We've been inflicted with all types of things. We deal with racism. We got to navigate through that daily. So when it comes to black people, to me, they're one of the most messed up people on the earth, whether it be because of themselves or because of someone else or something else. They like to tell us that our history started off as slavery, like that's all we were, that we were just cattle, someone else's property. We are a special people. We are better than that. But they got us believing that we're nothing. So I'm organizing this meditation to allow black people, even if it's just 5 minutes. I know 5 minutes isn't the amount of time that we need for a deep meditation, for a deep restart. But think of it like a little door to open a big door. And I love my people. They need attention. Someone needs to pay attention to them. They're not even paying attention to themselves. But what is meditation? What is this practice that I'm gonna have all these people down here taking 5 minutes out of their day to achieve, to practice, to do? And meditation, simply put, it's an ancient practice that's about turning inward, that's about focusing inward. We deal with a lot of outworldly things every day. We deal with the outside every day, every moment of every day. When's the last time you dealt with the inside? When's the last time you took 5 minutes to take a breath, to get away from all these outside thoughts, to get away from all the inside thoughts? Just take 5 minutes to take a breath. When was the last time you did that? It's about presence. Remember, you are here and you are enough. Think of meditation like a fitness program for your brain. And to get into the habit of focusing on something that is in the present. Like your breath. And meditation doesn't all look the same. I know when they hear meditation, you probably think about someone sitting down in Indian style with their legs crossed. But walking is a form of meditation. Reading a book is a form of meditation. Dancing can be a form of meditation. So meditation looks differently, depending on the cultures as well. However, in this iteration of it, we're going to be sitting in the grass, enjoying ourselves, taking 5 minutes to just breathe, to just be. Like I said, we carry so much generational trauma. Most of us are living in survival mode. We gotta navigate through racism. So let's use this 5 minutes to let go of the world. Let go of what the world put onto you. It's only 5 minutes, but inside was a lifetime of presence. I need you to remember that. It's only 5 minutes, but inside that 5 minutes is a lifetime of presence. And you did that. So come join me at Grand Street Park, June 4th. It's a Wednesday, from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. I'm going to be down here meditating with the Black people in the community. I got some questions, and I'm going to be reading some poetry. And one of the poems will be from my upcoming project, Lightbearer. So make sure you don't miss out. And if you're not able to make it physically, like if you're not able to actually come down to the park and come meditate with me and chill, I'll be going live. So you'll be able to catch me live on the YouTube channel. So you better make sure you're subscribed. I'm gonna post this video on the Facebook page for the event. I did an interview on Saturday. I'm gonna put that in the video. I'm gonna put that in the description of this video, so you make sure you check that out on Marley's Greatest Podcast. It's pretty dope. And just remember, only 5 minutes. After we're done meditating for 5 minutes, you are free to float away. You don't have to sit here and stay. I'm not forcing you to stay here. If you want to stay and chill out with me, by all means. It's my birthday. So if that's what you want to do, I'm not forcing nobody. I know people got lives. So if you want to come by, stop, say hi, sit for 5 minutes and then be out, by all means. Thank you. And I'll see you niggas there.